Okay, good morning. Big day, flapjack and beans. What a lovely day it is again this morning, hey, in sunny Germany. So we're at Siegen, that's the place where we're at. Now we've even got John Lennon on my wall. Can you see him over there? Look, oh, John Lennon, there's him. So today we're off for we're not on the bikes today, we're off for a mosey around town. I've got to walk best I can with my dodgy body at the moment, but anyway, we'll see how we go, get a cab. We're going to go down and there's rumours that I'm going to have a haircut today, so that should be fun. And yeah, it's something we found out about this hotel. I mean, we were watching the football last night, we went out and had a curry, and then we come back to watch this football, and the guy were telling us who stayed here 8 months, works on a pipeline, a Scottish guy and a French guy, that there's drug rehabilitation people and foreign immigrants and all sorts in the 3 floors or the 6 floors. We're on 6th floor, and there's plenty of them apparently in this hotel. So we didn't know that. Booking.com don't tell you that, do they, when you book your hotel? But I'm not bothered, there's no harm to us. He says don't be alarmed if you see police banging on the door at night and running around after people. He says because it happens quite often. So anyhow, I'll catch you later. Hope you're having a good day, whatever you're doing. Hope it's not pissing it down on you back in the UK. We'll talk to you soon. So here we are. There's a Vespa thing there, look. Vespa Rima, €89. And it takes you on a little trip, look. How cool's that? Hey? Me and Mo sat in the massage chairs, aren't we, Mo? Hey? Yeah. I'm trying to walk and I can't walk. So here we are, look, we met Marion Hood. Look, the Pink Panther. Pink Panda.
Have you got a picture of it?
No. I'll ask this later. Okay. We're still looking for something, we don't quite know what. There's Vespas up there again, look. Must be a Vespa shop. You alright, Major Mo? Yes. There's Major Mo now, about to have his hair cut. Major Mo. Look up, Mo. Yes, it's sat in the barbers. Here we are, look, here he has, these lads here, look. Experts at the hairdressing. Yep, there they are, the golden chairs. That's a sink over there, and that chair over there. You put your head in that gold sink, like a diver's bowl. Someone's making us a coffee, he said over there, look. Can't be better than that, can you? For YouTube.
Hello. So he's going in for either a shark, a pollock, a trout, or a mullet.
You know mullet? Mullet? Mullet, yeah. Who's staying? Mullet, okay. Says he knows it, big mullet.
G'day, digger. You're closer, Andy. You should.
I'm not really involved.
They've got a phone charger.
Not on me no more.
Is that right, Nick? Pull it down.
Yeah. G'day, digger.
Well, you guys Turkish? Cool. Arabic. Yeah, but mate, don't tell him what I want. You don't even know what I want. The mullet. Can I do it?
Show him on your phone.
Mullet. Bring the phone.
You've got your phone. You're too old for a mullet. You're a pollock.
Got indoor cut like these.
Yeah. Do you got these cut here like these young lads here? Do you know like these lads here? Christine has got nothing whatsoever to do with me. When he comes back looking like some knob from Australia, it's got nought to do with me. Nought whatsoever. Katie. Waff. It's like shearing a sheep, Mo.
Yeah.
An old ram. You have to walk about 10 yards behind us. Does he look silly? Does he look?
He's nodding.
Yeah.
It's snowing.
Does it look like snow on the floor?
Yeah.
Not yet.
You should cut some more off.
That's a tickling stick.
I think we should chip in for this, Mo. Shouldn't we? We should all chip in. How do you think the election is going to go, Donald?
Yes, it's Donald Trump speaking.
Joe Biden more like.
Christine, are you ready for it? The transformation is happening. Remember that young man you married? Well, he looks not like this now. How good are you laughing, Moe? Are you ready for the big reveal? Are you ready for the big reveal? The big reveal is coming. Here you go, ready? And we'll count him in. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Look that way. Look that way. Now look the other way.
Thank you.
So here we are. We're just having a coffee, waiting for the coffee to come. And Grizzly's just got his not Jonathan Ross, who were they? Valentino Rossi's glasses on. He bought them in Italy about 50 years ago. No, he bought them on eBay actually. Didn't you, Grizzly? Yeah, did. And Tossasaw's got his on his head. Look, his old Ray-Bans, what he's had for 14 years, them Ray-Bans. They've been everywhere. And they're laughing at me because I've got my hair done now. Look, I don't know. Look, I've never had my hair combed forward in my life. And I've got a mullet at the back.
You know what?
And this young lady here is bringing us a snap.
Mailing.
Mailing. Okay, so we've had the haircut, we've had a coffee. We've had a rub down. We've had a rub down with a wet towel. And Tossasaw's saying vote Trump. I don't know what he's got in his head now.
A new mic.
We've ordered a new microphone for the YouTube helmet, which is hopefully being delivered to the next stop tomorrow. If it isn't, Tossasaw can get ready for a bollocking.
I'm going to find something to eat now.
And now, what are we doing now, Grizzly? Something to eat now. Major Mo's sat there. Look.
What time is it, Mo?
Time is it, Mo? Beer time. Okay.
Johnny thinks my throat's cut.
We're just waiting for the taxi to arrive. Goes on tag. Oh, the glorious sunshine, Mo. Glorious sunshine we've got here. Oh, another one. Yeah. Really touristy this. Really touristy stuff. Isn't it, Mo? We're down on the river. Ah. What do you think, Mo? Ah. Well, no fish in there. There's a ducker in.
What's that?
Big Chinese place there, look.
Yeah. Oh, is that Chinese?
Well, Mongolo dishes, I think. They're right over there now, look. There they go in there. Let's make it to that one, Mo. Fuck. Hang on, Mo. Right, Mo. What time is it, Mo? Beer time. The ice beers. And the newspaper. We're just reading we're reading the local news. Schmidt and Schmatt. There's a lot of coughing going on. Is coughing? Is it COVID central? We were all right because he tested positive second time. Oh, Mo. So here we are, more beers have just arrived. Mo is trying a different brew this time. Grizz is on the same one. Tossasaw, don't know what he's having, don't know what date he's having at time, Tossasaw. And that's mine there. I have to have water in mine because I'm more gentle.
More of a child.
Yes. And there's a little hund. There's a little hund there, look, Mo. I'll show you a little of the people watching. In fact, we'll set it up a minute, just a minute. Look at their legs there.
Spider legs.
Far too thin. Unexit. Ready.
Far too thin. That's coming from you.
You know, coming from me. I mean, I'm rather rotund. Rather rotund, Grizz, you know. Rather rotund. What have you got to say, Michael?
Tossasaw's leading me astray.
I'm feeling a little bit pissed now.
Tossasaw's
been leading us all astray as usual. We've got to come here, look. We've got to come here. We've got to do this. We've got to have them. We've got to have these vice beers and blah de blah de blah. Blah de blah de blah de blah. Doesn't it, Grizz?
Exactly.
Grizzly's on a look. He's on his 10th blah de blah. Mo, he don't know what day it is over there. Look, Mo's completely gone. He's been out of time lapse for 24 hours. Tossasaw's on his phone now, look, checking his shares again. Making sure. Just getting into his stride. Yeah, just making sure he's making some money while we're away. He says, not cost much this holiday. Oh no, no. So here we are now, pissed. And we don't know what we're doing really. We're waiting for a taxi.
Waiting for John the taxi.
The other two are going off walking.
We're going to climb Mount Everest.
And I'm limping around like an old man, like I am an old fucking man. I can feel the Can-Am coming. I can feel it coming, the Can-Am. And here we are. Here we are.
What's it, Moe?
Here we are. Who says?
Moe.
Moe can't stop me having one, can he?
Your missus said you can't have one.
Who said that, Mo? Who said
Go
that,
on, your
Mo?
missus said you can't have one.
Christine says three grand on it.
So yes. So there we are. We're waiting at the junction. It's like being at the crossroads by Eric Clapton. Oh, that noise! That awful noise! Here he comes, Mo. Oh yes. Pardon me. Where is the taxi driver? When is he when you need him? Hey? Oh. Now then, Honda. Oh. He stopped. What does that mean? Means you can go. Peddlers. choppers. There's Grizzly sat on the post.
Got a share. Gone share.
Yeah.
Right, Bendigo.
Chair's gone.
Right, back at Bendigo. Here's your taxi.
Yeah, it's here, look, push racker. Hey.
G-Wagon. G-Wagon. Well, why do these foreigners always have these big cars?
I don't know, they've got drug money, Mo. Here he's here, look. He's here, Mo. He's pedalling in now. He's got the flag on. He's not looking, paying no attention. Paying no attention,
Ain't
fella.
getting that bloody hell, is it?
Hey.
He's a good motor up there.
He's got big wheels on, hasn't he?
21s.
Hey.
Where's the gun go? Oh, there.
There's traffic lights. These traffic lights seem to make a lot of noise, don't they, Grizzly? Is that him coming? Is that the taxi man? Is this him on the Skyter? Come back, Can-Am. All is forgiven.
Good eye sport.
Good eye, digger.
Australian, it must have known you. Good eye sport. Spoken like a native.
Yeah. Is this him?
Yeah, that's it. Good eye digger.
Is this him?
Good eye sport.
Is this him?
No, it's in here. It's in
Look
here.
at this chap here, look, laid down riding.
It's only up the leg.
This is him here, coming now. Coming down the street now. No. Ding, ding, ding again. Is this him, Mo? No. Oh, I'm fed up now. Oh, chap's only got one leg and he's pedalling, look. Mark of respect for him, I'll give you that. I've got one fucking leg, I can't fucking walk.